participating dignitaries, most respected academic administrators of various universities of United Kingdom, allowed under my long-term associate, the chairman of Atlas Group of Institution, managing director of AA International College, Sri Mohammad Munshir, and his own friends and colleagues of Atlas Group of Colleges at Dubai. Now I have to include at Malappuram as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening to every one of you. I would like to bring greetings from Ahmed University, where I am serving as a Vice Chancellor as well. First of all, I would like to register my sincere appreciation. People probably, they might have conveyed the congratulations. Now it's the right time for me to register my appreciation to Mr. Munshir for fulfilling his own long-time desire of establishing a temple of learning in his own native place of Kerala. Mr. Munshir, there are lakhs of people gone outside the country, outside the place, outside the native as well. Yes, they have earned name and fame. Almost 90% of them, they have taken care of their own requirements and fulfilled their own desires. Nowadays, rare to see like you coming back to your own soil, establishing an institution where there is a strong need for satisfying and fulfilling the Indian policy of higher education, of taking care of equity and inclusion. Yes, India is a country which one we consider has fourth largest higher education system. The system even today requires that more percentage of people should come to the higher education. As on date, as per the new educational policy, at present only 24%. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he brought out a new document, which is an eye-opener for the entire people of the country, especially for the administrator of higher education. His vision is to take the GER, gross enrollment rate, to 50%. Mr. Munshir, we have been trying, we have been struggling in India, but you have returned to India and you want to help the nation to increase the gross enrollment ratio by giving opportunity to the backward, most backward, oppressed people of the Kerala and around Kerala as well. So I would like to salute you on behalf of the country of India for having fulfilled the desire and expectation of the people of the country. Mr. Munshir, I like you for very many reasons. You know, you may think I am the Vice Chancellor of the third university. I am in academic field and administrative field of higher education for the last 4.5 decades. But whatever you have achieved, I cannot imagine even in my life. Yes, establishing a college in Kerala, I have a lot of admiration towards Kerala. But even now, Kerala is not giving that much of encouragement for the private institution to come up. Now I can guess how much of struggle you might have faced to establish this college. Moreover, I have seen the courses, what you are going to offer. To be very honest, there are 1,008 universities in India. I am the Vice President of the Association of all the universities as well. My knowledge tells no that single even university is offering this much of courses in a joint program and a twinning program as well. It is possible because of your vision and commitment. Really, I would like to congratulate you for a very big infrastructure you have created. at this juncture, I would like to mention about the Q3 international ranking of the universities of the world. There are a few parameters under which they give ranking. What are those parameters? Number one, infrastructure. Number two, faculty. Number three, foreign faculty staying in education institutions and providing educational service or handling classes. Number four, students going to foreign country, students coming to foreign country. And number five, of course, research. Above all, the objectives of the institution as well. Sir, it is the first time I come across an institution launched its program after completing the entire infrastructure. In general, in India, when they start, they go with the minimum infrastructure. But you are a person, you completed everything and brought out not a college, but a monument for which this country again indebted to you. This is very common. Even I can understand providing infrastructure. Coming to the faculty, nowadays, getting 2 or 3 faculty in the campus, faculty, I mean foreign faculty in the campus is very rare and remote. Now it is my understanding, through your blended learning, you are going to involve almost more than 90% of the faculty from abroad. It is the uniqueness of Mr. Munsir. That is the privilege you are giving through our AA International College. And the third one comes about exchange of students. I am very confident you are preparing your student for undergraduation or sometime for few years, and by collaboration, you will be sending students to the other universities of UK and other countries. The same way, you will be attracting students definitely from Dubai and other countries to your Malappuram campus. What I am telling now, even at the beginning itself, you are eligible to come as a global ranking of the college, one of the colleges, because you fulfilled all the parameters which are required for a ranking as well. Okay. Above all, what I get at the end, because you asked me, it was a surprise to me. It's really a shock and surprise to me. You asked me to inaugurate the placement itself. Yes, the national education policy has the main scope of providing higher education, providing employability in higher education, or providing employable education for the needy people. This is the policy brought out in 2020. 36 years ago, the previous policy. Both the policies have different kind of scopes and objectives, but one policy not yet changed. That is providing employable education. Yes. Skill-oriented education. Yes. By going through all your background, listening the courses, I am very confident your program, sorry to say, our program will certainly ensure placement for all our people and fulfill the expectation of the country in a bigger way, especially younger generation. With these few words of observation, I wish you best of luck, and I am very, very happy to convey my congratulations to the family members of Munsir who have been with you and for all the time from the day of imagining the new institution until this time. Wish you a best of luck. I pray the Almighty to be with you all for the success in all your endeavors. Thank you very much indeed.